All right, it's Molly here at Design Loves Detail. We've got so much fun stuff in store because we're talking about Christmas decor, and this is my brand new stuff for this year. Can't wait to show you what I found. Let's dive in here with one of the Christmas classics. Also, you can find all of these products linked in the description below so you can shop easily there. Some really good prices and deals and all the things. So this Garland, you can't have too much Garland, right? But this is so cool because it's one of the Real Touch. So it's like that nice rubbery feeling kind that just is so much nicer and not the cheap plastic. And here's the thing. See this? I haven't fluffed this all. I just got it out of the box, but look how long that is. It's a 12-foot one. So hard to find these. Really excited because they're great for wrapping around your banisters and railing, which we actually don't have in this house. So I'm going to use these, I believe, on our front porch around. We have kind of a covered area, but I think these will be fun around the front door as well. And that size is going to make it a million times easier. Great price for this size. Sometimes you might look at it and think, oh, that's a big ticket item, but it covers so much more than those little 5-foot garlands or what is common. So definitely it's like 2 garlands in one or more, a little more even, 2.5. Anyway, love it. I'm so excited that I found these in stock and they're gonna be amazing. So I'm linking that for you. And then still speaking of outdoor, really cute doormats that are Christmassy. This one's got the trees, really simple, good size, and it's the nice like rubber backed ones with the really durable like kind you can really clean your feet on. This one too is so cute. One more. This one is just the classic Merry Christmas in cute font, and then it has that black border. So really gonna be fun for this year. Oops, for all the years, I guess, but new for this year. It's kind of shedding on me. Next up, I want to talk about how for my Christmas decor, you probably remember this from years past, but I try to make my holiday decor really fit the style of my house so it doesn't feel like we just did a 180 on decor style. And I really like it to kind of seamlessly blend with the other stuff I have going on so I don't have to like overhaul everything. And so I go with a lot of white, black, natural wood tones and the greens of the season so that it has kind of that organic feel just like my house does. Where am I gonna start? Oh, these trees. These are super fun. They're mango wood. I love the natural variation in this wood, and they're really good layered. I like to do even a whole little table of trees. You can mix them with ones like this, where you have more of a white kind of a fluted detail, and these are such good prices, by the way. Found these from Marshall's. I'm working on some collaborations with them and was so impressed to see that they had so many great Christmas finds already. So you can see how these are all really cute together. I'm gonna maybe mix them even with some houses. I like to sometimes put the little trees grouped together with white village houses. Here's an example of that. These guys come in a set and these light up, so my kids are gonna love that. Just the little like LED lights or whatever they come with. And this is a set of 3. They've got cute little star detail on the roof. So it kind of has that, sorry, garbage trucks outside, you probably hear that. But anyways, they kind of have a Scandinavian feel. I love a Scandinavian Christmas. Just a little bit of that vibe that's really modern and minimal, cute. So those guys are a good starter set if you don't have any white village houses. I feel like they're like a staple for any holiday decor. They can just go with everything. So love those. And I mix and match them. Sometimes Target has white houses too, and don't feel like they have to all be exact same style or scale or whatever. For me, I just put all the white houses together and it's really cute together. This is another little tree, probably, you know, one that would blend well with these as well. It has the little cutouts, it lights up. So, and this had kind of a modern Scandinavian vibe to me as well. So just a different, unique kind of shape for the tree family, and a couple other black and white. I've got a supersized bell. I thought this was really fun. It lights up as well, so the light kind of comes through. Again, with that Scandinavian kind of vibe, and just so fun that it's so huge. Bells are one of my favorite things, you know. These guys too, Nutcrackers. I first bought Nutcrackers like a few years back, and typically, you know, they're really ornate and colorful and, you know, kind of like the classic, which is cool, but never really fit with my home decor. And so I started buying the unfinished ones, and it seems like manufacturers now have caught on that people want really minimal because they have these matte black ones that are darling. I think these would be super cute flanking a fireplace or on a console table, anything like that. Really cute. And again, with that, keeping with kind of that black and white and natural look look as well. This, so darn cute. I love stuff. Again, kind of the Scandinavian vibes with this house. This one lights up as well. So my kids always love that kind of stuff. It just makes it more fun when you have it on a mantle to have that magical little light with it. And just a classic Christmas scene. I love the nostalgic feel, a little bit of that handmade, handcrafted Scandinavian. That's probably how I would describe my Christmas decorating style anyway. And that one is also a really good deal from Marshall's. So super great. Let's talk a little bit of light too. I thought these were the cutest candles ever. They're wrapped like this. They just come wrapped adorably. So these would be really cute, I think, as a Christmas gift too, for like neighbors, something along those lines. And you can put, you know, something about the light of the season, that sort of thing. But love how these are gonna be on a just a simple black candle holder, because they're gonna bring a little bit of color and then just that fun twisted design. I've seen candles like this, like at designer boutiques for really expensive, but they have them for a steal online. So I will link those, of course, for you as well down there below in description. Speaking of little just handmade details and things that give that little extra touch, really fun ribbons I'll link for you. Love this cream with just a little black stripe. This comes in some different widths. And then this ribbon is kind of like a muted dusty gold, kind of a camel, almost mustard yellow, but just has a really nostalgic, Christmassy handmade feel to it. So that's gonna be a really fun accent. And the velvet, there's just something about the velvet that adds that extra texture and richness and dimension. So those are going to be a fun little add-in. Should be sharing soon what I have planned for all these things, how I use them. That will be in future videos, but this is another gem. Look at this blanket. It is huge. It's like a thick hand knit, just so pretty and soft. This is a really good gifting blanket, one that you can just kind of throw over the sofa. It's a good size even at the end of a bed, so that you have that texture and just cozy warmth. Love that. So darn cute. Okay, it did shed on my, I should not have worn black leggings on Christmas decor day. Okay, and then these are a Target find, and they are nice and long. You can see how big these are. A really, really, really good cedar stem. They seriously look real. I like want to sniff them, but then they don't smell real. They only look real. So maybe I'll have to add some cedar oil or something to them. Is that a thing? I'm sure it's a thing. So these are under $10 for these huge stems. I will link those. They come in other sizes too. I got this really huge one because I'm going to use them, well, I'm going to surprise you where I'm using them because it'll be more fun to see it in action. But they are great. This is 4. I'll show you 4 of them together. I haven't fluffed them all up, but you can see how much fullness that makes with just 4. So those are really, really great. And hopefully you're kind of catching the drift on how real those look. And just the simplicity. It kind of looks like they were just cut outside. That's, again, along the lines to what I'm saying too, where it's just really organic. Feels like nature. Nature did its thing. So those are some of the items that I have planned. Those are the new things I got for this year, and I'll use in some of my other previous decor as well, because I like to do a mix. And hopefully a lot of it will still be available. I need to go through it and see, but those will be coming up in the holiday spaces and tours that I have for you in store. While I'm thinking about it, in comments, if you guys want to tell me what you think as far as how early do you like to get the Christmas decor preview. I feel like everybody started sharing in October this year, and I was like, give me till November 1st, because that's like at least after the spooky season. But I don't know, I'm curious what you think. I definitely, like, I love Thanksgiving as much as I love Christmas, I think. So I don't like to skip over it, but I definitely want to share with you guys the best stuff before it sells out. So let me know for next year, you know, what you're thinking. How early do you like to see Christmas? Does it make you think it's too early if it's October, or are you down because you know we need to get the good stuff while it's still there? Give me your feedback and thoughts in comments. We'd love to have you subscribe to our channel. To get notifications, just click the subscribe button and the bell so that you're up to date on new videos and all that stuff. And check me out on Instagram at Design Loves Detail, our website designlovesdetail.com, and I will see y'all next time.